I have a feeling you can probably guess why I chose this particular watch for this video. For those of you that are not aware, this is going to be the Rolex Date. So this is going to come in at a 34 millimeter case size as opposed to the 36 that we find on the traditional Datejust. And of course, I did choose this watch because of the dial. It's got a striking combination of a few diamond hour markers as well as some Arabic numeral hour markers. It's not necessarily rare, but it is going to be an uncommon combination. We often see a combination of the Arabic numerals with, say, baton indices or the index markers, but I don't see them very often that have a combination of the diamonds as well as the Arabic numerals. And of course, the Arabic numerals, if you haven't figured it out, that's going to be the 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, the way that we traditionally draw or write those numbers in the English language. Do know this is one of the 6-digit reference numbers, so it's going to have all the fan favorites like the upgraded bracelet, thicker lugs, no holes case.